Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Let's go and answer the question, why use simatherm? As you know, in many industries there are thousands of bearings in operation, and sometimes they fail, even before the end of the normal lifetime. So one of the reasons for premature failure is an incorrect mounting. In fact, an incorrect mounting is the cause of around 16% of all premature failure. That's why it is important to choose the best way to mount the bearing. So what's the best and most efficient way to mount the bearing? It's by heating the workpiece. When you heat the workpiece, it gets larger and larger, so you can place it on the shaft very easily. What are the possibilities to heat a workpiece? First of all, we have the oven. It's not very good for the bearing because it takes a lot of time and energy. Then we have the oil bath, which is not very good because it's dangerous because of the dripping oil. And then we have the open flame, which is not good for the bearing because of uneven heat distribution. So the most and best efficient way is the simatherm induction heater, because the induction technology heats the bearing directly in a fast, safe and energy efficient way. Now here you can see all the simatherm devices for heating bearings up to 1,200 kilograms. And look here, we have a chart, so you can choose the most suitable heater for your application. Now, for more information, please visit our website or contact us directly, and we are glad to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a very successful day.